Okay, let's continue. So the next presentation comes from JinKO, and we are very happy to have with us Eathin Xu, who is the product manager at JinKO ESS, and he will talk about advanced commercial and industrial energy storage systems from JinKO. Eathin, the floor is yours.
Okay, it's my turn. Let me share my screen. So can everyone see my screen and hear my voice?
We can hear you loud and clear, and now we can see also your screen. Everything looks great. Please go ahead.
Okay, so let me begin my presentation here. Okay, good morning or afternoon, esteemed friends. This is Eathin Xu, the product manager from JinKO Energy Storage. It's my honor here to present to you a speech on the topic of advanced commercial and industrial energy storage system from JinKO. The speech is mainly include three parts. The first part, I will give you a brief introduction to JinKO Energy Storage Company. JinKO ESS is a key arm of JinKO Solar and aims to become one of the world's leading energy storage solution providers, specially designed for commercial, industrial, and utility applications. JinKO ESS was established in 2022 and currently have over 700 experts from different departments. Leveraging the global layout of its parent company, JinKO Solar, now our ESS company owns more than 35 service centers and 8 R&D centers distributed around the world. JinKO products serves over 200 countries and regions worldwide, catering to more than 4,000 customers. We have established good relationships with the major energy companies around the world. As you can see from the PowerPoint or our main ESS production base is located in Haining, Zhejiang Province, with over 200,000 square meters of manufacturing plant. We place great emphasis on the control of product quality, with over 40 manufacturing processes and more than 200 quality inspection. Our Haining base has a production capacity of 10 gigawatt-hour for energy storage systems and 5 gigawatt-hour for sales each year. JinKO has a full stack of self-developed products for energy storage systems, ranging from the battery cells, PCS, EMS, to integrated C&I systems and utility systems. Today, I will focus on introducing our commercial and industrial products to you. Okay, let me introduce to you the roadmap of JinKO's C&I ESS product planning. Up to now, JinKO has developed 2 generations of C&I ESS products. The G1 products include DC battery cabinets without PCS and integrated all-in-one cabinet with a built-in PCS. The DC cabinet products are divided into the IEC version for the global market, which is with 5 battery packs, and the UL version for customized for the North American market, which is with 8 battery packs. The G1 all-in-one cabinet is an AC-DC integrated system with a 100 kilowatt PCS and 5 battery packs. The second generation C&I product is a new AC-DC integrated system with larger capacity. The Chinese standard version of the second generation product is already on the market, and the IEC version for overseas market is expected to be introduced to the market next year. And we will launch more new products in the future to satisfy the customer's demand. We are now having 3 G1 C&I products on the market, depending on the application scenarios and the actual power grid connections, and assess standards in various regions, having 1 G2 products as shown in the PowerPoint. Okay, the 2 main features of the JinKO C&I products are reliability and flexibility. Both our G1 and G2 products have cell-level thermal insulation and multi-level fire protection system, which makes it a more safe cabinet. When it comes to flexibility, the products support multiple connections up to 12 units, both in on-grid and off-grid mode. And before delivery, the cabinet is pre-installed in the factory, connecting all cables and wires inside. With intelligent design, the cabinet could also be remotely operated and maintained. JinKO C&I product adopts 3-dimensional safety strategy and 5-layer protection. The 3 safety strategies are structural safety, which adopts battery electrical compartment design, the electrical safety, which includes 3-level fuse blowing and leakage monitoring, and the fire safety contains 3-level fire protection and other various detectors. The 5-layer protection is from the cell level to the system level, as shown in the PowerPoint. The cell level provides abnormal cell early prediction and warning. The module level contains CCS component protection plan and a mic flag between battery cells. The pack level includes the top insulation layer, the explosion-proof housing, and the fire extinguishing medium. The rank and system level contains some temperature and a smoke detector, a fire extinguishing gas, and so on. We also provide a pack level aerosol firefighting system and a system level water sprinkler for optional choice for different customers. Okay, let's move to the specific products. The first one, as shown in the PowerPoint, is our G1 214 all-in-one product. Each single 214 cabinet consists of 5 liquid-cooled battery packs, a high-voltage box, and a liquid-cooled unit. And SunGiga 214 all-in-one has a built-in PCS. Besides these key components, some gas and heat detectors are also integrated in the cabinet. Each liquid-cooled pack consists of 48 cells connected in series, with a rated capacity of 218 Ah of each cell. The high-voltage box contains a battery cluster management unit and a set of protection, control, and other electrical components. The high-voltage box is used for management and protection of the entire cluster of battery packs. This 214 kWh cabinet adopts the design of the battery compartment and the electrical compartment insulated with each other, which is safer for operation. And the datasheet of its product is shown in the right side, including some basic parameters like the nominal voltage of the DC side, the power of the AC side, the IP grade, and so on. This is the appearance and structure of our SunGiga 214 DC cabinet, and the right side is also its datasheet. This product is with the same inside components with the all-in-one products I introduced in the previous PowerPoint, except the PCS. This PCS cabinet is just for the SunGiga 214 DC cabinet as the last PowerPoint. The cabinet includes the converters, distribution devices, UPS, EMS, and other units. The cabinet supports access to the PV, the grid, the DC generators, and the nodes. And the built-in EMS function for improved energy efficiency management and a new IGBT module for high-efficiency conversion. The converter provides AC power to the node through the isolation transformer, STS, which enables switching on and off the grid. The right side shows some main data of this cabinet. One important information is that the PCS cabinet could support up to 10 or 8 PCS cabinets connected in parallels, according to the different powers of this PCS. Such a standard combination, which is our SunGiga 215 DC cabinet plus the PCS integrated cabinet, can be applied to different scenarios. It can be directly connected to PV for DC coupling scenarios and can also be connected with the PV inverter or diesel generator for AC coupling scenarios. This is our G1 344 kWh product. This product offers a higher capacity for larger energy storage needs. This product is customized for North American market. Also uses the 218 Ah cells but with 8 packs, designed for the systems that requires higher voltage levels. Okay, let's move to our G2 product. This is our all-new generation commercial and industrial products. Features a 314 Ah battery cell, increasing the system cabinet capacity to 261 kWh. And the AC side output has also reached 125 kW. Also, its datasheet is as shown in the right side, some key parameters. Our new generation all-in-one products are of high system throughput. The cycle life increases from 6,000 of G1 product to now 8,000 cycles, and the system RTE could reach up to 89%. This G2 product is an integrated system. Adopt a top-bottom compartment design and integrated PCS and a high voltage box, which reduces the size and the footprint of the cabinet. The new generation product is also an intelligent system. It could support up to 12 units parallel and remotely monitor and control. The new generation product adopts full-stack self-developed technology. With self-developed PCS and EMS, which will enable powerful applications in various scenarios. Depending on different needs, it can be paired with PV, diesel generators, EV charger, and etc. to operate in on-grid or off-grid conditions. Okay, that's all of our commercial and industrial products. Let's move to the last part, the case study. JinKO has completed the delivery of energy storage system for over 300 projects worldwide right to now. Next, let me select a C&I case to give you an introduction. This project is based on a large hotel located on the Gold Coast in Queensland, Australia. The hotel already has a 200 kilowatt solar PV array on the roof of the building, and we provided them a solution with 10 units SunGiga 214 kilowatt hour all-in-one products. Through the simulation analysis based on the whole year, the data shows that with both PV and battery, 50% of the site load will be supplied by the PV and our battery system, while 50% from the grid. And about 300 megawatt hour will be exported to the grid, generating revenue in the form of forecast revenue, arbitrage, and some excise PV sales to the grid. This will both reduce existing electricity costs and generate significant annual revenue. And you can see from the PowerPoint, the left diagram shows daily energy activity, and the right one shows the solar PV consumption. The majority of PV energy is used for self-consumption, and the BES and the battery system is cycled just under 0.5 cycles per day on average. This means there is plenty of headroom for the battery system, even it may slowly lose its capacity over time, ensuring it will be able to meet demands for its entire life cycle, while also being prepared for FCAS event at any time. In the evening each day, a load goes negative. This is where revenue is generated through the arbitrage. Based on the simulation analysis, the rate of return is about 12.7% per year, and the payback period is for this 10 SunGiga is around 7 years. It's well below the optional 10-year warranty. And from year 7 to the end of the life cycle of this battery system, considerable revenue will be generated, while the initial cost will be completely paid off already. Our energy storage system still has high economic viability. Okay, that's all of my presentation. Thanks all.
Thanks, Eathin. Very nice, very detailed into storage. That's great. Just one question from my side. I think Frank already mentioned it in the beginning. There's a lot of things happening, and you have to watch out from the procurement side of things on the storage side. How do you see the technical trends on the C&I side of business? So what's really key to look at? What do we expect, and what will be the focus of JinKO?
To choose from the JinKO side, the trend for the C&I products. The first trend I think maybe is that in the future we use the high capacity battery cells to expand the battery system capacity. And the second trend I think maybe the high voltage grid connection solution is a popular trend. And now the mainstream output grid voltage is about 400 volt, 400. But in the future, the high voltage is about around 690 output will be more popular, I think. Any other trend? Maybe in the future, much safer product is very urgent. The pack level fire protection system and a water fire protection system will be the future trend for the safety issue, I think.
And do you think that will be everywhere the same around the world because you're active in many different markets, or is the emphasis different?
Sure. Different regions have different demands. For a more safer or more high capacity batteries cells, this may be for the very developed regions like the Europe, like the Australia. For some developing countries, regions like the Africa, maybe some different trend. We maybe to cut our cost to minus our sales price.
And then maybe quickly about the market. So where do you see the strongest markets demand for your products? Because you're active around the world, you showed. So which are the most important regions for you?
The most important regions, I think for the products I just introduced, the C&I products, the most important regions are the North America, Europe, and Australia. These regions.
Okay. Thank you so
They
much.
have the very large demand.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. I see one question also already in the chat. You might want to answer it there. If anyone still has questions, please write them down. Eathin is still here and can answer them.
Okay.
Thanks so much, Eathin.
Okay.
Okay.